The Confidence Blueprint. Building Self-Worth from the Ground Up. Introduction. Confidence is a skill, not a trait. Here's something no one tells you. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. Like learning to ride a bike or mastering the perfect pancake flip. Confidence takes practice. You might think some people are just naturally confident, effortlessly owning every room they walk into. But here's the thing. Even those people had to start somewhere. Confidence isn't about knowing everything or never doubting yourself. It's about showing up, even when you feel uncertain, and trusting that you'll figure it out along the way. And just like any skill, it's okay to feel wobbly at first. The key is to keep showing up, because the more you practice, the stronger that confidence muscle gets. This book is your guide to building that muscle. Together, we'll quiet the doubts, embrace your unique strengths, and take actions that prove to yourself you're capable of anything. So, if you're ready to step into your power and live unapologetically as your authentic self, let's get started. Chapter 1. Quieting your inner critic. We all have that inner voice. You know the one. It tells you you're not good enough, smart enough, or ready enough. It whispers, "Who do you think you are?" every time you try something new. But here's the truth. That voice is lying to you. Your inner critic isn't there to protect you. It's there to keep you small. It's the mental version of a backseat driver, always pointing out what could go wrong, but never actually helping you move forward. And the good news? You don't have to listen to it. Start by recognizing that your inner critic is just one voice among many. It's not the ultimate authority on who you are or what you're capable of. The next time it pipes up, try this. Give it a name. Something silly, like Negative Nancy or Self-Doubt Sam. Naming it creates distance between you and the voice, making it easier to manage. Now, let's go deeper. When you catch yourself thinking a negative thought, pause and ask, "Is this true?" Often, you'll find it's not. Then, replace it with a more empowering thought like, "I don't have to be perfect to succeed," or "I've handled challenges before, and I can handle this too." Confidence starts with treating yourself kindly. Imagine you're talking to your best friend. Would you say, "You're not good enough," or "You're going to fail"? Of course not. So why say it to yourself? You deserve the same kindness and encouragement you'd give to someone you love. Chapter 2. Building Unshakable Self-Belief. Before you can exude confidence to the world, you need to cultivate it within yourself. That starts with self-belief, the unshakable knowing that no matter what, you are capable of navigating whatever life throws at you. But let's be real. Self-belief doesn't magically appear overnight. It's built through small, intentional practices that reinforce your trust in yourself. Think of it like planting seeds. With time and care, those seeds grow into deep roots that anchor you, no matter how strong the winds of doubt may blow. Start by challenging the beliefs that don't serve you. Ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Is it even true? For example, if you've been telling yourself, "I'm not good at public speaking," look for evidence that contradicts it. Maybe you nailed a presentation once, or someone complimented you on how clearly you explained something. These small wins are proof that you're capable. Another way to build self-belief is to keep promises to yourself. It doesn't have to be big. Something as simple as committing to drink more water or take a daily walk can reinforce that you can rely on yourself. Each promise kept is a brick in the foundation of your confidence. And remember, self-belief isn't about never doubting yourself. It's about knowing that even when doubt creeps in, you can keep going anyway. That's what makes it unshakable. Chapter 3. Action breeds confidence. Extended version. Confidence grows through action. It's not something you wait to feel. It's something you create by taking steps, even small ones, toward your goals. Let's break it down. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a pool, nervous to jump in. The longer you wait, the bigger the fear becomes. But the moment you leap, the fear disappears, replaced by the thrill of the dive. That's what action does. It interrupts fear and replaces it with momentum. Start by setting small, achievable goals. Maybe you want to feel more confident at work. Instead of overwhelming yourself with a huge project, start with one action, like sharing an idea in a meeting. Celebrate that win, then build on it. Confidence grows like compound interest. The more you invest, the bigger the payoff. One of the biggest barriers to action is perfectionism, the belief that if you can't do something perfectly, it's not worth doing. Let's flip that script. Instead of aiming for perfection, aim for progress. Each imperfect step is still a step forward, and every attempt teaches you something valuable. Here's a tip. Keep a confidence journal. Each day, write down one action you took that made you proud. Over time, you'll have a tangible record of your growth, a reminder that you're capable of much more than you think. Chapter 4. The Power of Connection. Extended version. Humans are wired for connection. We thrive when we're surrounded by people who see us, support us, and remind us of our worth. But confidence isn't just about being uplifted by others, it's also about building relationships that challenge you to grow. Start by evaluating your circle. Who in your life makes you feel lighter, stronger, and more inspired? Spend more time with those people. Their energy will lift you, and their belief in you will reinforce your own. Now let's talk about boundaries. Confidence also means protecting your energy. Not everyone in your life will cheer for your success, and that's okay. It's not your job to convince them of your worth. Set boundaries with those who drain you, and don't feel guilty about prioritizing your well-being. One of the most powerful ways to build confidence is through mentorship and collaboration. Find someone you admire, a mentor, a colleague, or even a friend, and learn from them. Their guidance can help you see yourself through a more compassionate and capable lens. Finally, don't underestimate the power of giving back. When you uplift others, you're reminded of your own ability to make a difference. Confidence isn't just about what you gain, it's about what you give. Conclusion: you are enough. Extended version. Let's end with this simple truth. You are enough. Not because of what you've accomplished or what others think of you, but simply because you exist. Confidence isn't about becoming someone else. It's about uncovering who you've always been. It's about peeling back the layers of doubt and fear to reveal the strength and brilliance that have been there all along. As you move forward, remember that confidence is a journey, not a destination. Some days, you'll feel like you can conquer the world. Other days, you'll want to hide under the covers. Both are okay. What matters is that you keep showing up for yourself. So, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what's one small step I can take today to honor my confidence? Maybe it's speaking up in a meeting, reaching out to a friend, or simply looking in the mirror and saying, I'm proud of you. Whatever it is, know that you have everything you need within you to create the life you deserve. You are enough, today, tomorrow, and always.